Hello children, today continuing with the chapter magnetism, we are going to learn about magnetic induction. Now what is magnetic induction? It is a phenomena by which ordinary piece of iron acquires magnetic properties temporarily. That means it behaves like a magnet when placed near a strong magnet, and when this magnet is removed from there, then the magnetic property also vanishes. Okay, so this method, magnetizing by induction, this method is generally used to make temporary magnets. Okay, because the magnetic property of the substance, it lasts only till there is influence of the magnetic force. Okay, or we can say that till the permanent magnet is kept close to it. Okay, as soon as the permanent magnet is removed from there, then the magnetic properties, they disappear. Okay, so what is magnetic induction? It is a temporary magnetization of a magnetic substance under the influence of a magnetic force. This we will understand with the help of this activity. Now here you see, we have taken a bar magnet. This is an iron nail and iron clips. In the first figure you see, we have fixed the iron nail to a stand. Okay, and these clips are placed close to it. Okay, but here do you see any attraction? No, there is no attraction between the iron nail and the paper clips. Why? Because this iron nail is not yet magnetized. Okay, it does not have the property of a magnet yet. Okay, now what you will do is, you will bring a bar magnet close to it. Understood? So when you bring a bar magnet close to it, then close to it means one of the poles should be close to the nail, but make sure that it should not touch the nail. Okay, then you will see that these iron clips which are placed close to it get attracted to the iron nail. These are iron paper clips which get attracted to the iron nail. Okay, then from here we can say that the iron nail turned into a magnet because of the magnetization by induction. Okay, and during this magnetic induction, the end of the nail, this is the end of the nail which is in contact with the one of the poles of the magnet. If suppose this is the south pole of the bar magnet, then this end will act as north pole, while the other end of the nail will act as south pole. Okay, now this is when this iron paper clips, it got attracted when this bar magnet was brought close to the iron nail. Okay, now what you do is, you remove this bar magnet from here. You take the bar magnet away from here. As soon as you take the bar magnet away from there, you will see that the iron paper clips which got attracted will fall down. Why? Because the iron nail will get demagnetized, because the magnet is no more there. The permanent magnet is no more there. Okay, so what do you conclude? That the iron nail was temporarily magnetized because of the magnetic induction. Clear?